One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Working on the bike, doing videos. Just went up last night and made the video of the Blazer. It's the Jimmy. It's what you're seeing here in this video. And I did the exterior, I did the interior, I got it all. It's a nice Blazer. I got a Chevy van. Stinking van box is awesome. I just wanted to show you before this here video starts that I just got this in. I've also got a short bed Chevy 1500, little half-ton 78, I think. But this step size is just absolutely gorgeous. Not only that, it's got a 396 in it, buddy. Cool stuff. Okay, thanks for watching. Here comes the Jimmy. Getting my Jimmy out. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. And what I got here for you today, besides this absolutely just gorgeous day on the river, is a early 80s Blazer K5, basically. K10? Oh man, it's K5, I think. Whatever it is, it's a Blazer, but this is the GMC version. It's a Jimmy. So get your Jimmy out and buy this truck. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna do a quick walk around, and then I'm gonna give you everything about the exterior that's wrong with it. As you can see, there's a couple pieces out of the grill. And I've even thought that, you'd update it, or, it's really popular to put the bar grills in these. Now, I'm not going to be able to walk so smooth while I walk around this thing, because I'm walking on water. No, I'm not. Actually walking on beach pebbles or whatever, beach rocks. So, just a quick walk around. If you're interested in this truck, I'm going to upload 60, 80 pictures on my website. It's oneownercarguy.com, and you can check out everything there. Make sure and subscribe here on YouTube. I've got 7,000, 8,000 videos on here. I don't know how many. Lots. And that's that. So check out all that. If you're interested in it, you can call me, Nathan, 406-546-8748. With that, let's start looking at this truck. Bumpers, look at that. Even the little bull ram things or whatever. Great shape. I think he had lights on here at some point. Just a couple wires and up to the lights. And as you can see, cracky, splitty cracky. Not all that great. So, I'm going to start showing. I'm going to show you underneath first. It's clean underneath. It's not leaking all over the place. 350. Small block Chevy. Oh, look, there's a fog light. A couple fog light hangers too. So he must have had that on it at some point. Tell you what, that front bumper is damn straight. Across the hood, got these little marks that makes me think it might have been repainted at some point. But I really don't know. I don't know. I haven't looked all that great deep into it. I didn't plan on the wind being this bad. I hope you can hear me. Miscellaneous chips. This stuff is all over on the hood in different spots. It is windy, man. Fall is here. This, no rust through at all, but surfacey, it is. And so that's going to need to be ground down or whatever. There's a couple spots on it like that. Now, here, it's just like that because it was off a little and it kept banging into each other, as you can see there. Super clean, no rust up here or nothing. And the corrosion and rust is confined to the areas that it happens to a lot in these, like right there. That's an easy weld-in piece. This stuff, it's your call. And the other one is here on this piece that always happens. But the inner piece, as you can see, is in great shape. The fender wells, even though they look like they got spots on them, I can tell you, it's just surfacey type stuff where the paint's chipped off. In fact, it's still got the original mud hangers or whatever you want, these floppy flats in there. Rancho shocks or something like that. Been all upgraded. It's got the twin shock thing in the front. Pretty nice. Glasses front, removable. Hard top. I don't know what you'd call it. On a boot, okay? Little chips going down the side. Little chips, little chips, little chips. And there's miscellaneous stuff like that on the side, like two dings I didn't show you on the front fender. A ding here, a ding here, and a ding here. Glass is nice. Around the handle, it's the same thing. But I'm here to tell you, it's not just in the paint. And honestly, it makes me think that maybe they did do some paint at one time and not prep it correctly underneath. Anytime where this stuff goes on, you get that kind of stuff, it seems. Water gets under there. He tapped this bumper somehow, just slightly, but you can see a little crinkle. And it is what it is. It smacked it into it right there and put a little gouge right in that part. Ding there. Same thing here, but not really. Just starting to rust through. A little layer on there. See? That's that. Okay. Back window. It's in there, but it has been broken out, I think, because that right there is the track, bud. So, needs the back window, but it's not damaged from the rain or nothing because it's been all taped up. And the tape has actually compromised the integrity of the paint on the shell a bit. Look at that truck, it looks beautiful. Needs the chunka chunka, you know what I mean. This here, miscellaneous stuff starts around it. Tape marks all over the back where he had the tape on the back of this. And lights are good. This side doesn't have the same issues the other side had, which again leads me to believe about that whole thing we were talking about there might have been some repaint on the other side. Look at these tires. Look at these tires. They're a Terramax HT. And I'll tell you what, little titties on the side and everything, this guy just put these suckers on there, man. Sierra Classic, which is like the big package with the other one. Little chips all along this. This thing's all coming off here. You can see. Sometimes you just bust all that off and it's nicer. Miscellaneous chips in different places. Running boards. They're not in the best shape, but they're running boards. And, you know, that's replaced something. Spring. I don't know. So that's been replaced. And they do seem to have a higher arc to them. But this one rides a little bit higher than would normally be riding. A couple dings in here. We got the Californian just came out here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful down here by the river. Okay, DZ running boards. And they're not all banged up too bad, and they're nice to have on your truck, especially when it's got a little bit of a lift with some bigger tires. I'll tell you what, just these little chips along here. Man, I don't know. If they repainted it, they did a pretty good job matching stuff up, but little bins, marks there. It is in great shape. It's a great project truck. And the project is a running project. Got all that. I'm thinking about just doing the video in one fell swoop, but it's a little hard to do. There's that one I wanted to show you. Everything in one thing. So let me get back and think about if I showed you everything. The chrome's in great shape. All that good stuff. Lily's here. She's over there playing along the bank. If you ain't know who Lily is, or my woman, well, you don't watch enough of my videos and you should get to it. Okay, that's pretty much the truck. That's pretty much what I wanted to show you on it. That's the exterior video. And I'll pop this out in a exterior, then we'll do an interior, and geez, we'll just mash it all together. One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. Bug guard, bug shield, whatever you want to call it. That is something that came on this era of a truck. Lenses are looking pretty good. This one had the crinkle in it right there. And you know what? Oh yeah, there is a spare tire in the back. In fact, it's a Wow Country radio. Okay. The hardtop is in great condition. Disengage connector behind cover prior to top removal. Huh. Probably some good advice. Okay, so I'm gonna shoot on with the interior. Well, I got back to my place, and buddy, we got sun. Look, I got a nice step side forward there, but I figured I'd get you a little bit more in the light to where you can see this for the day video and get it. It's just, you know, it's been a cloudy day, I tell you. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around like this and tell you the whole spiel about oneownercarguy.com again. Use the numeral 1, and also tell you that you gotta subscribe. If you're not subscribed, you're missing. Look at there, step side Chevy with a 396 in it. Just picked it up. Something else here. I got a shovel head back there somewhere. So all this cool stuff, and a little Chevy right there. We're kind of Chevy strong right now on the truck, especially if you count Pontiacs as a Chevy. Okay, that's the deal. I'll clip this into something somewhere, and we'll call it good. Give me a call if you're interested in this truck. You owe it to yourself if you've been looking for one of these. I'm going to give you an ending on this one and kind of say goodbye. Oneownercarguy.com. Make sure and subscribe. I've got lots of videos on here, and there'll be a test drive in the next little bit here. And if you're interested in the car, truck, SUV, you should get a hold of me. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. Oneownercarguy.com.